I've seen this before.
3, 2, 1. Holy shit. Charlie, Annie, Loon. We came out here to do some canyoning today, but I think I'm gonna skip the first rappel. Take the parachute way down. Doubt it's ever been jumped. So it's technical. It's out here in the middle of nowhere. And if I do get hurt, which I hopefully won't, but if I would get hurt in this canyon, it's a 4 to 6 hour canyoneering venture down, and there's only one way out. So
yeah, there's two. What the other's a helicopter.
Oh, that's, yeah, we don't want the helicopter way. It is like 150 feet straight off of this, but with a good push, it'll probably be roughly 180, 200 feet. The winds are on and off, so we're gonna try to time it, and I'm gonna jump down. These guys are gonna rappel down. We'll meet you guys in the canyon.
Send it.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go right on this angle here. Okay. Let's get it. You guys good? Love you guys. 3, 2, 1. Woo, wall ride. Oh, I guess I'm not gonna land. I'm hanging. I almost, oh. Yeah. I landed, dude. That was my first ever not land to land. Yeah, I fucking jumped off the cliff the wrong direction like an idiot. That was awesome. All right, let's not jump that ever again. I'm calling it the mummy.